Kimi K2.5 just dropped, and it's the best open source model, and it's better than Gemini 3 Flash and Claude 4.5 Sonnet. Here are the benchmarks. It's going toe to toe with the frontier models. Now, all of these models are kind of diverging, getting specialized in different areas. And it's interesting how Chinese AI companies are all congratulating each other, like 2.5 AI and Minimax are congratulating to Moonshot AI for releasing Kimi. Also, OpenAI is introducing Prism for scientific research. This is crazy. I think I'm gonna use this in my videos. So I just logged in. Let me start from scratch, creating your project. So I think I'm gonna do some research here, but let's see how this works. Okay, we have some paper outline. It looks like there is the paper here, and then I can upload some images like this one, although this seems like an AI generated image, by the way. But anyways, there are also chats. I can start a new chat. Prism is an AI-powered LaTeX editor for writing scientific documents, and it supports collaboration. You can tell it to add equations, you can tell it to create tables, to proofread and highlight any suggestions or errors or mistakes. I started a new chat. I told it to set up JAPA experiments. JAPA is by Jan LeCun, and then it talks to me. I think I can have multiple chats in parallel, so these are like agents doing tasks. Of course, it cannot run code. I would like OpenAI to maybe completely help me automate this even more, but for now it's okay. It tells me how to set this up. LeJepa, I was telling it that I want LeJepa. Now I said write a section in paper about SIGREG. Interestingly, it's immediately referencing it. So these chats are basically agents. You can give them tasks and they will execute them autonomously at the same time in parallel. And here we have, I see some issues maybe. Oh, I can just keep everything. I don't know why it's underlined. Okay, I see here this error sign, and then I can say fix with AI. So maybe it's gonna fix it. This looks very interesting for scientific research. One thing I would be careful about is you need to understand everything you're doing in writing the paper. Otherwise, you're not gonna write a good paper. Check out my school to become AI researcher, link below. So that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.